baby soft, buttery pumpkin biscuits. Oh, so good. To make these, combine baking powder, salt, brown sugar, chopped herbs, and fresh grated nutmeg to your flour. Stir to combine. Next, we want to work with our wet ingredients. So, to your buttermilk, add the pumpkin puree and whisk well. I'm using homemade pumpkin puree, so if you're interested in how to make this, head on over to the website. We want to grate our frozen butter into our flour. Give everything a stir. The next step is to combine our wet and dry ingredients. Stir until it just comes together and then go in with hands. Push and pat the dough until it forms a cohesive mass. Then empty it onto a countertop or work surface and keep pushing and patting until it looks something like this. The next step is folding the dough onto itself. So think about folding a letter, and that's what you want to do about 5 or 6 times. Now that folding process is what is going to create those beautiful flaky layers. Flour your surface, your countertop, your rolling pin and your cutter, and then simply cut your biscuits out and put it on a baking sheet. Now, how gorgeous are these little bits of pumpkin peeking through the dough? Place your biscuits in a 425-degree oven, and then it's the moment of truth. Hot out of the oven, delicious pumpkin biscuits.